My name is William Hayward, and I am a Senior Geospatial Analyst at Control Point Associates. Here at Control Point, we can save you time and money and give you an accurate real-world layout. There are a lot of different laser scanning technologies out there. You got your static scans where you set them up individually and they take like 2 to 6 minutes for quick scans, and then you got to pick them back up and plug them in somewhere else and tie all the data in together. With the Navis M6, it's our mobile mapping unit. That allows us to just simply push the cart through a room or a factory or wherever, and we can provide point cloud, we can provide floor plans, we can provide floor deviation plans, we can provide 3D models of your environment. So take a factory, for instance. Instead of shutting the factory down for an entire day, we could go in there with this mobile mapping unit and scan it within a few hours and then be out the door. So it'll save you time and money that way. You don't have any downtime. Nowadays, a lot of people are working remote and are unable to come to the site due to a lot of protocols in order to get there. So instead of them taking a flight, coming out and checking on the building, we can go in with our scanner, create an indoor viewer, and then just send it like a Google Map view of their site model, and they can just inspect everything from there. And that'll save you time and money, and go to each individual station that they took panoramic images at, and you can see everything that was scanned that day in color. Tell your men on site that, this should be here, I want this changed, and then they can just click on that same link and see the notes that you made or photos you attached or PDFs you attached to that specific area that you were referring to. Using your smartphones or your tablet, you can open up the app and you can open up the indoor viewer, and it can actually give you directions to the specific location of, say, wall that needed to be demoed, or they're going to install a TV or something, and then it can take you right there. Using indoor viewer, you can add photos, PDF, markups of particular locations anywhere within the 3D panoramic image, and then you can send that off to the people on site or for your boss to review and see if the inventory is there, if everything is where it should be at that time. And then we can come back a month later and scan it and send you the same information, and we can build a whole site model, and you can flip through the different months and go back to, say how it was 6 months ago, if we scanned 6 months ago, and then flip like on a dime back to today and see how it was done scanned today. We have one of the fastest ways to capture our building environment so that you don't have to hand measure your space. Having a 3D laser scan can give you an as-built survey of your existing conditions. We can capture the stuff that you don't currently see on your architectural drawings, like pipes and various other structures. If you're concerned with fitting a special equipment that you ordered into a doorway or into a window, we can go in there and we can just quickly gather this data and scan it and then send it back to you, and you can verify if it actually will fit into your space. To save you money from having to knock down some walls just to get your equipment into where it would reside. So if you want to save time or money, get an accurate scan of your property, give us a call.